You asked, how to divide 3562 by 23 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 35. 35 divided by 23 equals 1. 1 times 23 equals 23. 35 minus 23 equals 12. Bring down 6, making 126. 126 divided by 23 equals 5. 5 times 23 equals 115. 126 minus 115 equals 11. Bring down 2, making 112. 112 divided by 23 equals 4. 4 times 23 equals 92. 112 minus 92 equals 20. The remainder is 20. The final result is 154 remainder 20.